everyone, my name is Willie, working at the iFactory product divisions. It is an honor to be here representing iFactory to present our planning of Industrial 4.0 transformation by leveraging collaborative data-driven models. Industrial 4.0 is not a new topic, and many manufacturing leaders had adopted Industrial 4.0 in some areas. From the Gartner report, we see the dramatic increase in the future trend of IoT spending by manufacturing and the natural resources companies. CAGR is around 14% from now to 2026. CIO's decisions for selecting IIoT partners, including technical expertise and the strength of platform technology suite. The key technology CIO is now focusing on, including the device management, data management, application enablement, ease to use, security analytics tools, and integration in the platform. We know the importance of Industrial 4.0 and also understand the difficulties in establishing and deploying and scale up. The first one, Industrial 4.0 is not a revolution that suddenly changed the way we work. Industrial 4.0 is more of an evolution, dramatically improving manufacturing performance in a step-by-step process. Select the correct solution suite to deal with the specific pain points and deploy of a modularized solution is a good way to start. Before you scale up your current Industrial 4.0 solutions, you may want to recalculate your investment so far based on your evaluation on process, technology, and organization to see how well the efficiency improvement is and the KPI you reached. Based on the saving targets above, you may check how well you did and what are the areas of improvement. This index matrix for you to evaluate the way that you can get started in Industrial 4.0. We understand that manufacturing industry is divided into process and discrete manufacturing. Process manufacturing includes inputs that vary in characteristics. Discrete manufacturing has largely uniform parts and doesn't have much variabilities. Different manufacturing industries require different solutions to reach their targets of transformations. What is the good starting point and what kind of solutions should be adopted depending on which industry you are in? And also depending on your industry, you might want to select the industry with the most urgent pain points in which to start. If you are in the process industry, asset utilization plus quality and defect monitoring and improvement should be the first priority. If you are in the discrete manufacturing, you may focus in improving work-in-process inventory and response time to the customer. Advantech iFactory focusing on resolving users' pain points to create a solution suite. WisePath's IoT suite was created to develop different IAP, focusing in domain needs in different manufacturing environments. We are also co-working with co-creators to have more applications available for different domains to form an industrial IoT ecosystem. We also work with domain SI to service end users in their digital transformations to Industrial 4.0. The biggest advantage of IAP Solution Suite is that you can download from Wise Marketplace to meet any scenario. iFactory Solution Suite for process manufacturing transformation is targeted at improving production output, increasing capacity without expanding your factories, increasing your productivity by real-time monitoring, avoiding anomalies with environmental monitoring, and also energy saving for equipment usage. Using IoT to connect equipment data on the factory production line is the first step. To getting started, using the data collected, we may calculate the overall equipment effectiveness to check the availability turnover ratio, performance output, and the quality defect ratio. By monitoring the timely operation status of each machine and connecting with the production order, you can see if the production speed of the entire production line is balanced or whether there is unnecessary wasted time. Environmental Health iApp can real-time monitor energy usage and consumption, including water, gas, oil, and electricity, to make sure equipment is operated right and energy usage is acceptable. The solution suite includes OEE, EHS, environmental health and safety, event notification, and support for a command center dashboard. This solution suite is the first step toward Industry 4.0 for process manufacturing. Factory overall equipment effectiveness and visualization solution include cloud, public or private cloud, edge computing, and gateways for data acquisitions. The solutions are modularized, so you may select different gateways for different equipment in order to speed up the process of digitalizations. On the other side, for clouds based on size of the factories, you may select different solution suites for production. For example, you may select manufacturing edge for a single factory with less than 50 machines. And you may select private clouds for multiple factories connecting to headquarters. You may also select wide-path public cloud services as well. Scaling up and ease to use is the advantage of iFactory Solution Suite. For more detail, check iFactory's 51A EGM introduction for selecting the correct models. For discrete manufacturing, cost saving of workforce and the manufacturing overheads are always the key to success. Production digitalization in the workflow process can improve the visibility to track and solve defects or error in time. Manufacturing workflow digitalization solutions are developed for discrete manufacturing. The suite, including undone shop floor and a connector to link to MES. Manufacturing workflow digitalization suite supports multiple inputs, including cell phone, touch panel, or barcode scanner, and has simplified settings for the IT team to create different stations. IE engineers and the plant manager can easily use the data to check the line balance and follow a lean process 6 Sigma standard to increase the effective output. In the manufacturing workflow digitalization suite, we provide iMobile services for event warning on a cell phone. Operator or technician can use touch panel to report issues. Plant manager can, based on their requirements, increase the quantity of the stations with the different input devices or to set up touch panel for input. Supervisor and the management leaders can use the cell phone to monitor the status and allocate resources for prioritized actions. All solutions are positioned in the triangle shown in the middle from IoT-enabled assets to edge cloud solutions. Based on different manufacturing environments and the pain points, end user can select different entry points with focused solutions to start. For sure, more solutions can be added as customers to continue to grow and digital transformation areas increase. Demand for the digital transformation is shifting from connectivity and data extraction to integrate with IT systems, such as ERP and MES, to drive and gain business value from data analytics. This shift will enhance IoT technology and the ease of operation in IT, OT, and IoT. iFactory solutions can combine technologies and applications to enable users to quickly adopt, integrate, and reduce the overall cost of deployment. In the past, many systems were used in manufacturing, including ERP, MES, warehouse management system, or supply chain system. However, most of them are silos and cannot be easily deployed or scaled with the advancement of technology. How to reduce investment, quickly generate value, and assist in the deployment of the digital transformation technology is very important, especially how to achieve flexibilities, upgrade applications, and change according to business situations. iFactory solutions are based on WISE-PaaS IoT suites, which are Kubernetes-based. They can be public or private clouds, and domain SI can use the infrastructure to create their own solutions with intellectual property protected. This is the best solution to lead the digital transformation from A to A+. Please don't hesitate to contact us for questions and demos and trial account.